Hey, it's Dr. Cox here, coming to you from my home gym, and I wanted to tell you about a weekend seminar that I just recently attended called Spider Tech, and it was regarding joint taping with regards to sports injuries. Now, I've always learned, classically that if you're going to tape a joint, it's because it's been injured, but they have really developed a new technology with regards to advanced sports taping that applies to normal people like you and I who are not professional athletes. And of course, taping is still used for stabilizing joints and so on and so forth. But they've developed some really neat techniques now where if someone has chronic low back pain or carpal tunnel syndrome or an old rotator cuff injury, they can tape those joints in a completely non-invasive way. So let me show you a couple of these. I had an injury about 5 years ago, a torn ACL, and I never had surgery on it, and it bothers me from time to time, especially if I've been sitting like in a certain position. The knee will start to just really deep ache. Well, for the first 2 hours of the course, we were sitting learning all the technical stuff, so by the time that 2 hours was up, my knee was killing me. Then we went next door and started doing the taping. Let me just show you this. This is called a knee spider. And the reason it's called a spider is you can see how interesting arrangement the tape is. This one has been on me for going on 4 days now, so it's starting to come off. But you can see how pretty interesting configuration this is. The instructor taped me up, and literally within 5 minutes my knee had stopped hurting, and I have not noticed it since then. The neurology and everything that goes into this is pretty neat. I've also got one on my low back. I figure I'm a chiropractor. Let me show you the low back spider. So this is one here. Probably like the paint color. But again, once they put this on me, it almost feels like it's massaging your joints. It's a pretty cool deal. So anyways, it's called Spider Tech, which is why it looks spiderish, I guess. All kinds of different techniques that we've learned, and really cool stuff to have in the office now. So just one more thing to help you out, and appreciate you. Dr. Cox signing off.